around some sandcastles. Oh, it's a little boy blowing bubbles. Make her mama. Alright guys, we're about to leave the beach and I'm not sure, did we go straight or yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what we came. So we are now at Rainbow Gallery. Driving around on the island and it's so beautiful. Now Courtney's driving, I'm chilling in the passenger seat. I am loving it. I'm not even sure if we did everything that we were supposed to do out here because we've just been exploring just wow.
Safety first, I was just making sure it wasn't there were
Woo! 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 Jesus!
Jesus, man.
Oh my god, he was sailing. Oh, y'all couldn't see it. Oh my god, seems dangerous from this side of the seats. I understand why she was acting like that, guys, because it does seem scary from over here. Yeah, so we're heading back, trying to figure out where to drop this thing off. And those are some friends. We have no idea who they are. And we're going to see what's on the other side because we've just been on one side of the island. I'm not sure if we did everything. I'm not even sure if I told you guys this already. I'm probably just talking in circles, but I'll see you in a little bit.
Đi cô này á.
Hello. Oh no, no.
Hello.
Right there.
Hello.
Hello.
Không sao chuyện nào.
No, no, no. So remember our mantra. So we're gonna walk the street, and if there's people, we will eat. What is this? We had to go to like ferry. Oh wow. Yeah, interesting. Very interesting. So here it is. There's another one. We'll see what's going on. Just a few people. That's just a family. Check out this guy right here.
Oh, we passed that guy.
Yeah, we passed him earlier when we were on her bike. All right, guys. So they go ahead and they put that egg in that dough, and then they fry it. And then it's double fried that over here, guys. It's then put in the next fryer and fried some more to get a golden. I think I might just go ahead and get 5. Because 3 is kind of weird. I'm gonna get 5. And it's patted dry. After it comes out that second batch of oil, patted dry, and then it's coated with something. I'm thinking that they love their eggs. There it goes, it's coated. It comes in this little packet, and you get like a little stick, and you just stick it on there. And then you have these sauces over here. And this one says sweet chili, but it's actually hot sauce. So you just go ahead and put it there. And then it tastes like eggs. You seen there? It's like a dough with egg stuff in there. It's very simple, but it's very, very delicious. Just a fried dough with egg. I think they really, really like their eggs. But this is good. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of it right now. I'll research it and I'll link it down below. So we just found this drink place and I'm excited. I got an Ovaltine latte and Courtney got some grapefruit green tea. Should be very delicious. Ready? Yes, me? No. Okay. So this is the spot right here. And everybody has one. So I'm very excited to see what it's like and how it's tasting. And then we're just pretty much what we're going to do today is just walk this street. Wherever there's a crowd, we just go there and we'll eat. See, tell you, where there's a line, we eat. Thank you. Here it is that they're cooking some more squid. Delicious. Shellfish tempura. Alright guys, so we're back in Kaohsiung. And we're walking back to the station. We just got off the ferry and I'm eating a pineapple cake, famous cake of Taiwan. So actually cross right here and go back to the train station.